Okay, question 6. Mario's $15,000 car depreciates in value at a rate of 19% per year. The value V after T years can be modeled by the function V equals 15,000 times 0.81 raised to the T power. Which function is equivalent to the original function? So notice we have 15,000. Now the commas are on the paper. We will never put those in the calculator. That's just to help our eyes see it, but the calculator doesn't know what they mean. So I'm going to go to a graph page. I'm going to graph my original and then compare my 4 answers. Now, if I put this in a graph page, I can't use t. I have to use it as a function of x. So we're going to replace every t we see with an x. So home screen, new doc, say no to drugs, add a graph page. We're starting with 15,000 times 0.81, close our parentheses, to the power of the exponent key, x, and press enter. Now, menu for letter A. I want to zoom fit. So this is what's happening. The value of that car is going down. This is our depreciation. So now I want to compare each of the other 4 graphs to this one to see which one gives me the same exact graph. So I pressed tab to get my command line, and I know I'm starting with 15,000, but this time it's 0.9. And I'm going to do the last one, my fractional exponent, t over 2. So the exponent key, control divide, x divide 2, enter. And notice I do get another graph, and it does look like it's decreasing, but not the same graph. Therefore, these aren't equivalent, and that's not the right answer. So I go to tab, and the most important part, I want to go back up to F2. I don't want to keep this graph around because it's not helping me. So this time, we're going to say x over 9. And press enter. And notice that's almost a flat line this time. So that doesn't help me at all. Neither one of those are the answer, but I just eliminated 2 wrong answers. So now I'm going to press tab again and go back to that red one because I know it's no good so far. So I delete that exponent, and this time I'm going to make my exponent 9t. And again, I have a similar graph. It is exponential decay, but it doesn't match my original. So the only choice left is number 2. So some people might say, well, we know all the rest are wrong, so it has to be the last one. And technically, you're right if we did everything perfect. But since I'm human and I do make mistakes, I want to verify these 2 graphs are identical. And I do. And that means that these 2 things are definitely equivalent. So even if you don't know some of the algebra, anytime you see is equivalent to, you can graph it, and only one of your graphs is going to give you the same exact answer. And that's why choice number 2 is the answer to question 6.